morning, everybody. Yeah, it's 7:57. As usual, we're in base camp, and we'll have our breakfast and a short briefing. But today, Alhamdulillah, is good news. We have achieved our target of 260 unit rumah senyum, yeah, or in a short form we call it RS. So today, santai-santai, bit cool, not really rushing for anything, but we just got an info from our HQ saying that we should proceed another 30 unit, but inshallah for another 30 unit it will not be a problem for us. Maybe it just take 1 or 2 days, at most it takes 3 days to settle it, to get it done. So as for today, the technical team, which is me and Pak Ruwadi, is the technical team. We'll be just relaxing and maybe follow up with the surveyor team. The surveyor team will be conducted by Pak Hamdan and Pak Alwi, mostly, yeah. So maybe for today we just follow their activity and just keep up with them, and then by today you should order a supply of wood and canvas, terpal. So for today, not really much, but we do have some activity to do. Yeah, never stop working, guys. Never stop working. I'm happy. I'm happy with the momentum that we have at this moment. Things are going well. Work are going well, and yeah, we are very happy. So as for today, this morning I will show the surrounding of the base camp, which I'm trying to show that the local here are stable. Their mentality is stable. They are more cheerful. They are not so worried about the earthquake, and they are building themselves to be more resilient. So by psychology, they are mentally well. They are okay. The shops are open. Everybody are working. Most of them work at the farm. We have lots of farm here. We have rice. We have strawberries. We have some vegetable. Yeah, it's quite good here. Let me show you the environment here. Yeah, see. Shop are now open. Petrol station, mini petrol station. Then this is the road, the main road. A lot of people are busy. Kids are going back to school. Small shop are also open by the roadside. Yeah, things are getting busy now. I don't know if you can see. Hopefully you can see. This is the police. The NGO support are still here. People are still giving their support, help, and giving all the things that they wanted or they needed to give the support for the Lombok people. Well, the town is not that busy, but I can see there is a difference, lots of difference. See, there's a shop there. They are open now. Kids are going to school. So I think it's getting normal now. It's normal now. There's no earthquake recently. So we are now helping the people here to move on with their life as normal. So as I said just now, we have another 30 unit coming in. Hopefully everything goes well. He's going back home from school. So now we are moving by foot we are walking into Timber Gading Village, Sembalan Timber Gading Village, to do some accessing work, to do survey for the people who needed help. Right, stay tuned, guys. Yeah, so our duty for today is to go around and do surveying works, going through the village and interview people, take data, and then we will select people that really in needs, that we can that we are eligible to give our help for the rumah senyum. This is how they cook their meal, traditional. Using firewood, ordinary stove, ordinary pans to cook for their meal. This is how they live in Lombok. Walking back to our base camp. We are now going back by. So hopefully one motorcycle. Yeah. So basically we have around 5 to 6 people for today. So still going for search out for at least 30 people for today for survey. Yeah. See you guys. Alright guys, we're going for the peak, the highest peak for the Selong Hill. Let's go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yes, we are at the peak. Very excited. Woo!